Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome wireless Bluetooth mouse by the brand KLO. My favorite thing about it is that it is Bluetooth. So you don't need to connect a USB to your laptop. You can simply connect it to the Bluetooth and it works just great. I find it that it doesn't lose connectivity with the laptop, so you can just use it all the time. Another thing that I love about it is how quiet it is. I work a lot at night in my computer, so I don't want to be waking up my wife, and this mouse is perfect for that because even when you're clicking a lot, it doesn't make any noise. And I love how long the battery lasts. So you can just charge it with a micro USB right here in the front, and you can use it while you're charging it, so that is pretty convenient. So if you're looking for a very good quality mouse for an excellent price, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.